Hey guys, a little preview here. Videos will be coming out in January. I'm at Fish Creek Preserve in Woodbury, Minnesota on the 30th day of July 2023. I climbed up here in a video, so a little preview, right, of my adventures here, leaving the house in theory. My nephew won a baseball game, so I have the afternoon to myself. I've been wanting to come to this preserve, Fish Creek Preserve in Woodbury, Minnesota, off of Carver Road, off of 494. Come up Maxwell, cross 61, frontage road it, go past the body shop, frontage road, and yeah, it's a creek down here, and I'm attempting to go back down Mount Everest here. Not a very smart thing to be doing. I do have my phone with me, so if I decide to fall down and break something, this is the last tree to hang on to. So anyways, just kind of screwing around here. You can kind of see, you can hear that creek down there. Whew. Not a very smart thing to be doing, you guys. Poor choices being made. But I figured, we had another one. I was at a place over by Concord and Butler Street. Oh my God! Not a very smart thing to be doing there. Oh. What do you guys think, huh? This is what you don't do. I knew it was going to happen. And it was okay. I'm okay. Oh, that'll be a YouTube volley there. Oh, shit. God. You start falling down. I lost my shoe as well. Where'd my shoe go? I lost my shoe. Uh-oh. Gotta find my shoe. Oh my God. Probably somewhere up here. All of a sudden I look down and I don't have my shoe. Where are you, shoe? Problem is black, so it's going to blend in. That wasn't very smart. Well, where in the hell is it? Probably fell down somewhere down there, over here, or down there, or over here. Let's go look. Oh shit. Where did it go? Walk down here.